Hello and welcome to our 9th video tutorial in a dice game called Pig. We're on the method hit P1 click and we need to add a text box. But before we add it here, we need to go into XAML and we need to add here. And I've already done that, so we're going to click on it here. And you can see that underneath the stack panel P1 score stack pane, I've made another stack panel which is an orientation horizontal. I gave it an X name of P1 comment pane. I got a text box, X name P1 comment, font size 20, margin 50 and 15, width 350, height 100. I got a foreground color of white, a placeholder text of comment, and a text wrapping of wrap. So that is in its own stack panel right here. And you need to do that for player 2 as well. Then you come back and remember the X name is P1 comment, and for the other one it's P2 comment. You go into here, and I'm just going to place in P1 comment.text, and oh no, did you get greedy? So that is when they hit a 1. So I could copy that and I could paste that into the second one. Now you need to decide what kind of comment you need to have in the click. So you should have a comment here with the same X name, P1 comment.text. You're going to need a comment here, and you're going to need a comment here. Now what's important to remember here is this is player 1. So what's important to remember here, this is when you cross 100 points. So player 1 wins only if player 2 doesn't cross 100. So they win if player 2 doesn't meet 100 in their next turn. So that's very important to know. Then you're going to do the same thing for player 2. Put in 3 comments, 2 in stay and 1 in hit. And the only other thing is that you should, for player 2 on end turn, if player 2 on end turn, they should all turn to gray. So we want to have the play buttons collapsed because now the game is over if they call. Thanks for watching.